this video, I'll show you the more liberty mod for GTA 4, which adds more cars and pedestrians to make Liberty City feel more realistic and challenging. Check my video description for this mod link. Select the download option and wait for 30 seconds and then select the download now option and it will start downloading. Right click on the zip and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. First off here, right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. For doing this mod, pack up your GTA 4 game folder, copy, paste it in same location, rename it as backup. Once you're done, open PC data and drag and drop these two files times cyc and file list. Replace the file in the destination and then go back, open common data, and then select the pop cycle and visual settings, then drop, replace the file in the destination. Close stuff here and launch the game. I will add before and after comparison. You can see the peoples and cars are increased after doing this mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.